Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find where the active grill shutter fuses and relays are located on Jeep Cherokee. That generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Oh, and by the way, if you guys need to buy the replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we're going to share that information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That's where we get most of our supplies from as well. Check it out guys. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, for the active grill shutters, let's explain where you can expect to find the fuses and the relays. But quick advice guys, most owners that have that Jeep Cherokee do not know about the hidden fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money and trouble. What we need to do today, we need to open the hood, and facing your engine now, okay, that's the engine. On the right side of it, that's the driver's side of the Jeep Cherokee, that's the main engine fuse box. You see these two tabs, you press them together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. For the active grill shutters guys, you wonder which fuse relay we need to check now. That's the front side of your Jeep Cherokee. This is the windshield side. This is, okay, excuse me, this is the passenger side, driver side. On the front side here, you see this fuse that's known as fuse number 69. That's a double fuse, micro 3-blade fuse guys. Keep some spare ones because those are hard to find guys if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's the fuse that you need to check. What about relay? You don't have a relay. The relay is controlled by the, practically function is controlled by the engine computer or the body control module, most likely engine computer, but you have that fuse that's known as a relay fuse. Also, if you have problems with the radiator shutters, we will recommend to check the video on our YouTube channel about radiator fan as well, because you will have a few more fuses that you will need to check if you have problems with that guys. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.